Still dealing with the colder side of March, you bet. You gotta love that transition of the seasons. What we saw over the weekend, that cold air is still here with us today, and our coldest will be tonight. There's the view right now from the Charlottesville cameras. We look off to the north and west, just a few fair weather clouds that are beginning to dissipate. The sun's setting here in just over an hour. 41 is the current reading at the airport, made it up to only 48 today. And this morning, temperature at the airport was 30, but most locations were well down in the 20s. With that northwesterly wind at 20 right now, it feels like freezing. It feels like 32 degrees. Dew point of 4, that's very dry. Days like this where we have low humidity and gusty winds certainly enhances fire danger. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, 35, feels like it's in the 20s with west-northwesterly winds at 20. We've got gusts still over 30 miles an hour even at this hour. 37 in Madison, 39 Louisa, 42 in Palmyra, 41 in Livingston, and some middle 30s from Waynesboro to Stanton. 32 right now in Harrisonburg. And there's a look at some of the wind chills. Feels like 27 in Harrisonburg, 25 in Madison, 32 at the airport, same there in Palmyra. So again, the winds are still going to persist here for the first half of tonight. Overnight, those winds will begin to slacken off, and with this dry air, temperatures will start to tank even more. So it will be colder tomorrow morning than what we awoke to this morning, which was plenty cold. So widespread freezing conditions with upper teens and low 20s. This is some 20+ degrees below average here for overnight lows. So that's the big concern with, again, areas like the peach crops and the like. And of course, we had a warm start to the month and accelerated some of the vegetation's growth. 50 for the daytime high in Standardsville tomorrow, 49 in Stanton, about 52 at Lake Monticello. So it's still a chilly day. But Wednesday, we return to more seasonable numbers. We'll have a little bit more cloud cover rolling in. And then our most active day will be the last day of the month with showers and some gusty thunderstorms. And of course, that's the last day of this month. And we also say, hey, March will either go out like a lamb or a lion. Well, it looks like it's going out like a lion. In terms of the rainfall, anywhere from a ½ inch to a little more. There's the American GFS model, the European model, a little bit more robust with the rainfall, but we'll follow that over the next several days. Just by looking at the satellite radar combination, you'll notice the general direction of the movement here. It's from northwest to southeast. Our prevailing winds are out of the northwest, and these snow squalls, things that we dealt with on Saturday, is more widespread today, caused a multi-car pileup on one of the interstates there in Pennsylvania earlier in the day. Meanwhile, this storm system across the western United States will work across the country. It'll help drive in some of the warmth that you see down across the southern plain states, scour out this colder air, and we'll warm up through Thursday of this week. So in the morning, plenty cold, teens and low 20s, mix of sun and clouds during the day, upper 40s and low 50s. And then early Wednesday morning, as warmer air aloft works in, there could be a stray rain or snow shower. That's just the leading edge of this warmer air mass. Temperatures here Wednesday morning will start generally in the middle 30s, and then Wednesday afternoon we're looking for daytime highs in the low and mid 60s. Then we gear up for a wet and kind of wild ending to March here on Thursday with some rain and storms. Temperatures tonight in the teens and 20s. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast as temperatures will continue to climb as we head during this time period. And as we get into Thursday, especially during the afternoon, we'll have to watch out for some gusty thunderstorms. Then temperatures should begin to level off as we head into Friday and Saturday. So it came in like a lamb. It looks like it'll go out like a lion the month of March.
All right, Eric, thank you.
We will be right back.